Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay and in this video we are going to learn about classes and objects in Java. As you know, Java is an object-oriented programming language that deals with classes and objects. So I will share my knowledge about classes and objects in Java. So let's get started. Talking about classes, in real life, if you want to do anything, then first you have to make a plan. For example, if you want to build a car, you can't just manufacture it directly. There is a separate team of design engineers who first make the design and consider raw material, safety features, and many other factors. In Java, we keep the plan of what we want to execute that inside a class. Now, I hope you understand what a class is. If you have any doubts, don't worry. As we progress in this course, you will gradually understand it better. In simple terms, a class is a plan that we will execute. But in proper terminology, we can say that it is a blueprint or template for creating the objects. Now, let's discuss about objects. The plan that we have made after finishing the task as per our plans, we will get a final product as a result. That product is an object. So you now understand that class is an imaginary thing and an object is a real thing. The imaginary thing does nothing while the real object we use in real life has a has part and a does part. The has part represents the state of objects. In simple terms, we can say that a car has red in color, height, length, and other features. In programming, we use variables for the has part. For does part, we need to consider the behavior or activity that object can perform, such as running, accelerating, and so on. For that does part, we use methods. We will cover both variables and method in detail in upcoming videos. So let's take quick revision of what we learned in this video. A class is a blueprint or template for creating objects, and object is a real entity with state and behavior. Simple, right? That's it about today's video. We will learn practically as well, because if you want to implement things, you must have a strong foundation. Keep patience and we will concentrate on both theoretical as well as practical aspects. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.